back. In today's Concept Made Simple, we're going to deep dive into metes and bounds. Believe it or not, real estate doesn't exist in straight lines. And in order to measure real estate, we use both a metes and bounds system. Metes being the measurement of straight lines. Here's a little history on metes and bounds. Before modern technology, the metes and bounds system was used to survey real estate and to draw boundaries. The original 13 colonies of the United States, for example, were divided using the metes and bounds system, and it was the main survey system until the year 1785. In the world that we live in today, even though we use more modern systems for large-scale surveying, the metes and bounds system is still used for smaller land allocation. So what exactly is included in the process? The word metes stands for the distance between point A and point B in a straight line. So metes is straightforward. Bounds refers to the more ambiguous line and is often used for things like rivers and roads and basically anything that's not so straight. Identifying starts with the corner or benchmark of a property. There has to be some type of physical identification involved, like a monument or a building, and it has to be at the intersection of either a road or a post. And that is the starting point. Then we go in another direction that travels towards another such monument. Then the process repeats itself until we return to the original point. There are different measurements that are used. The most common ones are feet and meters. They're used for smaller properties. For larger properties, terms like rods and chains are used. A rod is 16.5 feet, 4 rods equals 1 chain, and 1 chain is 66 feet. While this type of measuring system sounds useful and simple, it's not always so easy. Sometimes they're moved, and sometimes they're destroyed. Also, the direction, or commonly referred to as compass direction, that also changes. Of course, we always want to preserve the original survey lines and boundaries, but we also need to be aware that everything is subject to change. And that is why in our world today, the metes and bounds system isn't the only thing that we use. I hope today's video is valuable to your exam prep. See you next time.